Hello everybody. Today I'm going to unbox and install an electric bike X26B. Let's get started. So first step, we loosen the cable tie. When you open the box, you will get two things. One, the bike itself, and a small box which contains all these tools. The mudguard, the paddles, the user manual, transformer and the power cable, a headlight, balls and nuts, an easy release skewer, and a hex wrench. So let's first assemble the handlebar. For that first, you need to make the correct position, then open the screws. Okay, after opening the screws, let's fix the handlebar. First, you need to adjust the handlebar in the right position. And then fix these screws after that. You need to fix this. So let's add the wheel and the front fork. Insert it from this side. Remove these two parts, screw this. So after adding the easy release skewer, we will add the tire to the front wheel. Make sure that the brake disc is aligned with the brake, fully prepared. So time to assemble the mudguard and the headlights. In this case, both go together. Let me show you how to do it. Take the mudguard after fixing the first. The upper part of the mudguard and the headlight. Second, we fix these. It's time for these two to fix. The paddles, they are marked with L for the left and R for the right. So let's fix the right one first. The right needs to be screwed clockwise, and then you tied it with the hex wrench. Paddle goes anti-clockwise. Oh, time for the hex wrench to tighten. Time for connecting the cable, but be very careful. It's very sensitive because it has a pin. The pin should be according to the holes. Here are two arrows, should be in the same direction.